Hello everyone, welcome to Prompt with Pal, your fellow explorer in the world of intelligent productivity. Today we are cracking open the next chapter in AI-powered workspace, GPT-5 in Microsoft 365 Copilot. If you have ever wished your tools could think with you, not just for you, this episode is going to be a treat. We will unpack how GPT-5 is changing the game from a smarter documentation creation to a real-time collaboration that feels almost human. So whether you're tuning in from your desktop, your commute, or even your favorite chat spot, let's dive into how this tech is transforming the way we work. Microsoft 365 Copilot integration of OpenAI GPT-5 model introduces a real-time routing mechanism that dynamically allocates each user query to most suitable submodel. At high level, GPT-5 architecture in Copilot functions like a two-brain system. One brain specialized for speed, another one for intense reasoning, coordinated by a real-time router that picks the right approach on the fly. So this design enables Copilot to deliver fast, concise, and answer for a straightforward prompts and for deep, well-supported analysis for complex prompts, all within a single AI system. Let's look at these two responses to the same Q2 revenue question that you can see here and see how the depth changes. So here is the prompt. Copilot, pull up our Q2 revenue figures by product line and give me a quick summary. So like you can see here, first the non-GPT-5 output is what you can see here. It's a clean executive summary, high-level points grouped into broad segments. The focus is not what happened in each segment, but the breakdown stops at the top layer. So now with GPT-5 output, as you can see here, it opens up, it's the same prompt again, it opens up with a source reference like the way it did for the previous prompt, giving an instant traceability and credibility. The coverage is wider. The tone reads like a mini analyst report. It not only tells you what happened, but also points to why it happened without you needing to leave the summary. Moving to our next demo, I'll show you how Copilot with GPT-5 now adapts to the question. For routine ask, it uses GPT-5 Smart, which is fast, concise, low latency. For open complex work, it switches to GPT-5 Thinking, which is more structured analysis, evidence, and decisions. Same Copilot, just the different gears. So here is my prompt. Create a simple table for XAV RFP response showing the company name and a brief summary for each. Notice the speed. It immediately says, I found 9 relevant files and gives me a 2-column summary table. This is GPT-5 Smart to work quick retrieval and clean formatting. Doesn't just list vendors, it pinpoints each one's unique value proposition in a crisp and business-ready format, making it easy to compare strength at a glance. Also notice inline citation next to the entries, and Copilot tells me exactly which file it used. For a quick question, that's all I need: fast, factual, and traceable. Now let's ask something that actually requires judgment, where speed alone isn't enough. So I'm asking here, draft a detailed report to help me decide which supplier to choose. Compare all the bits to XAV's requirement, rank them using the evaluation rubric, highlight the strength, gaps, risk for the top contenders, and you can see everything possible has been asked here. And now you can see the shift. The typing is more deliberate and answers arrives in section. Copilot has switched into GPT-5 Thinking, doing multi-step reasoning, aligning to rubric, and building auditable decision trail. This isn't just a reply, it's a boardroom-ready playbook. Copilot opens with a clear RFP context, turns the raw data into a benchmark table, dives into each vendor with hard numbers and risks and ranks them with reasoning, finishes with action-ready next steps. It's insight, evidence, and execution all in one flow. So this is new M365 Copilot pattern. It detects intent. For routine tasks like you have seen, GPT-5 Smart for speed and clean summaries, which automatically takes it on. For complex decision, GPT-5 Thinking for structure, evidence, ranking, and next steps without me switching tools or models. So in short, Fast when you want it, deep when you need it.
And that's a wrap up on our journey through GPT-5 in M365 Copilot. From nuanced summaries to context-aware suggestion, it's clear we're not just automating tasks, we are elevating how we think and create. If today sparked ideas or questions, keep the conversation on, share it with your colleagues, bring it up in your next team sync, or just let it simmer as you rethink your workflows. So thank you for investing time in learning something new today. Until next time, stay curious, stay bold, and keep it simple with Copilot.